Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a kuay tiao teng, but simplified version. So first of all, I have some kuay tiao with me. This is the medium size one. Generally from the wet market, we can find three types. The thinner one, which is actually the most suitable for kuay tiao teng, especially those very famous kuay tiao teng in Penang. They definitely use the thinner one. I want to use the thinner one today, but I couldn't find from the wet market this morning. I can only find the medium one. Okay, the thicker one I don't quite like it lah. So this is the medium type. Then how am I going to make the sauce? How am I going to make the soup base? Very simple. I have some ikan bilis here, anchovies, and few pieces of ginger, and I'll be putting in a bit of the tong choy. Yeah. So this is how I'm going to make a very quick broth. Yeah, the soup base. Then of course. We need to put in some, towards the end, right before serving, we need to put in some fried onion, together with fried onion oil, pork lard, together with some crispy pork lard, yeah? I would like to add in some veggie, add in any veggie you like. And I'm going to make fishball kuay tiao soup actually, but I had some fishball from the wet market this morning, but my wife doesn't eat fishball. So I took out some of this. This is the what you call meat tofu. This is from Sabah, her personal favorite. Okay, of course we will need some salt, some white pepper, some fish sauce. First thing first, we're going to make the soup base. Of course, I'm going to make a use of anchovies. One thing about anchovies is that if you cook it for too long, it can make the soup very, very fishy. So in order to avoid that, first of all, we'll put in some few pieces of ginger to cook together. And you don't want to cook it for too long. Usually I only cook it for about a couple of minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, which is good enough. Okay? And the good thing about anchovies is that it will give you natural saltiness as well. I almost forgot to add in the tong choy. This will also give it some umami flavor plus natural saltiness. So you don't really have to add saltiness to this soup actually. Maybe just a little bit of fish sauce later. Right, this after about 5 minutes, I think good enough. I'm going to take out the anchovies before the soup become too fishy. A lot of people thought about also, if you worry about ikan bilis making your soup become fishy, then what you can do is also, you can go and fry the ikan bilis first. Then you won't have much of this fishy problem. Basically, our soup base is ready to be used. Right now, you're going to assemble the kuay tiao, everything, yeah? First of all, I'll give it a little bit of fish sauce at the bottom of the bowl, some base flavor, and a few dashes of white pepper. This is pork lard. This is fried onion oil, fried shallot oil. All right. You can use soya sauce also, yeah? Can, no problem. If you put this aside, let me boil some fish ball first. Maybe I boil all the fish ball together and then I set this aside together. I think I'll put in the meat tofu at the same time. Doesn't matter. All right. Let me take out the meat tofu first. Set it aside. Now we can take out the fish ball. Next thing we are going to cook some kuay tiao. I'm trying to cook for one bowl first, alright? I don't think it will take very long, probably only 1 minute or less than 1 minute. See? Already changed color. Definitely less than 1 minute, only about 10 seconds or so. Then we can actually take it out and put it into the bowl we prepared earlier. Alright, I'm going to put some veggie aside here. This small lettuce, I can actually eat it even when it is raw. Yeah? You don't have to cook it. Then we have some fish ball. Look at how clear the broth is. And let me tell you, it's very flavorful, even though it's very clear. I'm putting some fried shallot on top and some crispy pork lard as well. So I want to give it a few dashes of white pepper. That's how simple it is to make a fishball noodle soup at home. Fishball kuay tiaw soup, alright? So if you like my very simple video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.